Jai Srimannarayana, 10th sloka of 9th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena ಕೌಂತೆಯ ಜಗದ್ಧಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತತೆ. ಓಂ. Every day remember that under supervision of Sri Krishna Paramatma, under direction of Sri Krishna Paramatma, based upon your karma, you got your body. That is why perform all your activities as service of Paramatma. Do never perform any anti-Sri Krishna Paramatma's activities. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you should respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, every day I shall remember that under your direction, under your supervision, I got my body. I shall not perform any of activities that hurts you. I shall check before doing anything if that is going to please you or not. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadam mrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 86th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra. In that process, Parikshin Narendra requesting Sri Sukha Yogindra like this. O Yogindra, Paramatma came down as a human and did Putana Samharam and other so many miraculous activities. Krishnasya charitam adbhutam manusham lokamasadya tajjatim anurundhataha. Can you please explain me all those divine, miraculous, wonderful activities of Sri Krishna Paramatma? Can you please elaborate? Like that, when Parikshin Narendra asked Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, Ho Raja, Paramatma came down as Krishna and did Putana Samharam, and as a child he is now growing. In that process, he learned how to sleep on one side. At that time, when that change happened, kadachita utthanika kautuka aplave, Yashoda Devi celebrated that change in that child. And when Krishna became 3 months old, Yashoda Devi Janmaruksha Yoge Samaveta Yoshitam Balakundu Vodigila Padanerchanani Janma Nakshatramandu Vokanadu Viprulato Guda Veda Mantrambulan అభిషేచనాదికమాచరించి వారి దీవెనలొంది. Paramatma, when became 3 months old, Yashoda Devi called on so many Brahmanas, and seeing that Balakrishna started sleeping on his back, seeing that Yashoda Devi with so much of happiness to enjoy that change in Krishna, she called on Brahmanas, she called on so many Gopikas and celebrated by giving Abhishekam to Krishna, and Veda mantras were chanted by Brahmanas and given blessings to Krishna. Then Yashoda Devi did so many charities. After doing all that, she slept just right next to Balakrishna on her bed. Because she did so much, because she got tired, she slept very well, and in her sleep she could not listen to when Balakrishna was crying. Balakrishna was crying and he was craving for milk. With little bit of anger, Balakrishna charanau dakshipat. He was moving his both legs, both feet upwards while crying. But Yashoda Devi was unable to listen to that. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasitravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 9th chapter 10th sloka. Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagadviparivartate. Mayadhyakshena prakrutihi suyate sacharacharam hetunanena kaunteya jagadviparivartate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.